Hello you absolute legends, welcome back to the channel. It's John here, and today we are going to be replacing this cracked mirror, this smashed mirror on my Fiat Doblo van. There's a very good reason why it's like that. Somebody whacked into my mirror at speed, my mirror popped off, smashed to the floor. Mrs. John Cooper ran out and saw that, yeah, it was broken. It's been like this a couple of months now, actually, to be honest with you. I've finally got myself a replacement mirror. Here it is. This mirror here actually is a heated mirror. It's not a heated mirror in the van though. So I don't know why someone has put a heated mirror on. Clearly it's had a new one in the past. Let's just put that window down. Windows going down to give us some better access to the mirror. This is the new mirror. I think it costs 12 quid, something like that, off eBay, and it's just a case of popping the old one off and popping the new one on, right? Well, I'm not so confident, which is why I've got Dad here, who's going to help me. He's got his trim removal tool, and there is the old mirror off. He made it look so easy. And you can see that it's not a heated mirror. This is not a heated mirror, but for some reason it's had a heated one in the past. Dad's going to show you the different components here. So we've got some clips here. These are the clips that hold it in place. You can see that these are the heated mirror connectors. It doesn't have those in here, so we don't need to worry about that. That's the new mirror, and it looks pretty much the same. We're just checking out which is the top and which is the bottom. There's the old one, there's the new one, there's me, hello. Worked it out? I think that's the top. So the writing is the top. Is that right? They actually look the same, don't they, all the way around. But yeah, so it's just a case of lining it up and just popping it into place, hopefully, he says. Is that the wrong way around? Tense scenes. Dad's not wanting me filming him. I'll turn the camera off.
It's not very warm, is it?
Does it need to be warm?
There's a chance I can break this.
That's fine. Dad's not a fan of fitting these.
Yeah, especially when you've got somebody watching. It's usually when the customer's watching.
Usually when the customer's watching, it breaks, he says. We've put it on, it's popped. It doesn't feel loose. I can't feel it popping off there. It feels nice and tight on there, and obviously the manual adjuster seems to be working up and down and left and right, which is in here. That's it. Real easy, I suppose. We've made that look easy. Pull this one off, put the new one on. But I say it made it look easy. You had to get it in the right sort of place, and you can see you've got these tabs on the back that need to pop into place on the unit. That's it then. Real quick. Pop one off, pop one on. A 4-month-old job that I've been putting off, done in sort of 3 minutes. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like, please give us a subscribe. Till next time, have a great day, whatever you're getting up to. See you later, and goodbye.